Mercedes-Benz is heading into a bold new era with its performance lineup, and one of the biggest signs of that shift is the decision to phase out the Mercedes-AMG GT four-door. In its place, Mercedes-AMG is preparing to launch a fully electric super sedan built on its dedicated AMG.EA electric platform. This is not just an electric version of an existing model. It is a fresh, standalone AMG creation that promises to carry forward the brand's performance DNA with a futuristic twist. From what we have seen in early teaser clips on social media, Mercedes-AMG is not abandoning the emotional side of driving. The prototype already teases a soundtrack heavily inspired by combustion engines, giving it a voice that will feel familiar to longtime AMG fans. It is a smart move, especially as the performance car world grapples with the transition to electric vehicles. This electric AMG super sedan will be the first of two vehicles built on the new platform, with an electric sport utility vehicle expected to follow. At its core, the vehicle will feature advanced axial flux electric motors developed by YASA Motors, a company now under the Mercedes umbrella. These motors are lighter and more efficient than traditional ones and are expected to help the new AMG deliver close to 1,000 horsepower. That figure could go even higher depending on how many motors the vehicle gets. Unlike the hybrid AMG GT63 SE performance, which produces 831 horsepower, the new electric AMG will not need to make compromises between power and efficiency. It will also likely benefit from smaller and lighter battery packs, offering better performance without the bulk seen in some of the heavier electric vehicles from the Mercedes EQ lineup. The benchmark? The Porsche Taycan. Mercedes-AMG knows it needs to bring every bit of performance technology it has to the table. Expect next-generation features like adaptive aerodynamics, advanced traction control, and real-time battery thermal management. AMG is not just building a fast electric sedan, it is building something that has to prove it belongs in the AMG family. With a reveal coming later this month, we are eager to see if this all-electric AMG can truly make believers out of even the most loyal internal combustion engine enthusiasts. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss the full breakdown when it officially drops.